Hi travellers, and welcome back to the TravelCrazy channel. Today, we're heading off on a trip that's been on my must-do list for ages. A place that's just bursting with beauty, history, and unreal food. We're going to Tuscany. And believe me, it's even more stunning than the pictures. From the second I got there, Tuscany just grabbed me. It's not just a place, it's a whole vibe. It was like stepping right into one of those old-time paintings with its sunny hills, dotted with tall, skinny trees and ancient towns. I had to pinch myself to make sure it was real. First up, the incredible towns perched on hilltops. I kicked off my adventure in San Gimignano. They call it the medieval Manhattan because of all its amazing old tower houses. Did you know that way back in the 14th century, rich families would build these towers not just to keep safe, but to show off how cashed up and important they were? At one point, there were over 70 of them. Now there are 14 left, and climbing the Torre Grossa for views all around is something you've absolutely got to do. The gelato here, you can't beat it. Seriously, try the saffron flavour. But let's be honest, you can't chat about Tuscany without talking about the wine. This area is home to some of Italy's most famous vineyards. We're talking Chianti Classico, Brunello di Montalcino, and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano. Proper good stuff. I spent an arvo I'll never forget at a family-run vineyard, learning how they make wine, from the grape all the way to your glass. The passion these winemakers have for their work is truly something else. And the taste? Oh man. There's nothing quite like sipping a smooth Sangiovese while looking out at the very hills where the grapes grew. It's not just a drink, it's a whole experience. And the food! My friends, the food in Tuscany is a foodie's dream come true. Forget what you think you know about Italian food. Here, it's all about fresh local stuff and simple, really tasty flavors. Think creamy papa al pomodoro soup, bistecca alla Fiorentina that just melts in your mouth. That's a big, thick Florentine steak cooked rare. And of course, amazing pasta dishes like Pici al Ragù. And don't even get me started on the pecorino cheese and the incredible olive oil. It's all beaut. Every meal felt like a proper celebration. I loved wandering through the local markets, seeing all the bright colours, and smelling the amazing smells. It's a real farm-to-table way of life here, and you can taste the difference for sure. Of course, a trip to Tuscany wouldn't be complete without checking out its artistic heart, Florence. This city is like a living museum, seriously. From the magnificent Duomo with that massive dome by Brunelleschi to Michelangelo's David, every corner is just packed with history and art. I spent hours just wandering about, soaking it all in, walking over the Ponte Vecchio and getting lost in the Uffizi Gallery. It's a lot to take in, but in the best possible way, you know? Tuscany isn't just about the sights and the tastes, though. It's about taking it easy. It's about enjoying the simple, beautiful things in life. The sunsets here, when everything goes golden, are legendary, painting the hills in lovely shades of orange and purple. There's a peacefulness, a rhythm to life that's so different from the usual hustle and bustle back home, hey? Whether you're exploring old towns, enjoying top-notch wine, tucking into unforgettable food, or just watching the sunset over those rolling hills, Tuscany is truly magical. It's the kind of place that sticks with you long after you've left. So, if you're dreaming about your next big trip, chuck Tuscany right at the top of your list. It was way better than I even hoped, and I reckon it will be for you too. If you liked coming on this journey with me, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and tell me in the comments, what's your dream spot in Italy? Thanks a million for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!